Hey, Nick Berlin with Berlin Builds. Today I'm going to show you how to take a new blade and put it into your DeWalt chop saw. Alright, so your first step is to unplug your saw, because if you don't, you might cut off your fingers. So unplug your saw, and then what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this blade guard, and there's a little black bolt right here. So using the tool that came with your saw, go ahead and undo that. And you don't have to take this bolt completely out. There's a little metal tab. You just need to bring it out so that metal tab can slide past that bolt. So you can see what that does is it gives us enough room where we can access this bolt that's on the blade. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the same tool. Oh, but the other side of the tool. We're going to use this side of the tool. This goes in. And one thing that you have to remember with these saw blades is righty, loosey, lefty, tighty. It kind of hurts your brain to think of it that way, but that's what you have to do. Now looking over here, to keep the blade from spinning, there's this little black button. So you're going to hold this, and you're going to push that in until you feel it engage. So now the blade won't move on you. So holding that black button in, you're going to go righty, loosey. Once you do that, you can just remove the bolt with your fingers. And you take off this piece. And then don't cut yourself, but you can carefully remove the saw blade. And now, you can take your new blade that you want to install and you put it in. And one thing that you have to remember is make the teeth come towards you. So they'll rotate towards you. That's how you have to remember to put these on. There we go. So once you get your blade in, you can put this piece back on. Okay. Once you've got that piece on, you can take this, fit it back into place, and now you're going to take this bolt, and remember, lefty-tighty. Now, holding that button, go ahead and just snug it up. Okay, now what we can do is bring this back down into place. And this one is a righty-tighty. And that's all there is to changing your saw blade. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button down below, as well as subscribe if you want more videos on tools and projects and just other things that help you build things in your life.